Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. I'm back on the Edison Spring Motor, and I thought it'd be just a quick little tune-up. And then it ran into 3 days and a lot of work because of the speed control and the on-off switch. But we have tuned it up. I've changed all the rubbers in it. The rubbers on the chassis were shot like this, breaking apart. I've changed the belt out. We polished everything out, oiled it. I showed you all this in the videos. When you turn it on now, this is the trick about these. You turn this on and it's absolutely smooth and dead quiet. But this is what it takes to do a tune-up on like a Triumph or a Spring Motor. So let's listen to this. You can look at all the other videos online. Now I think it's good for about another 100 years before it needs a tune-up. It might need to be oiled before then, maybe in a few years if you don't play it a lot, and change the belt out again maybe in 50 years. And that's my tip for the day.